Welcome. So I've been doing crypto arbitrage for a few years. I've messed around with a lot of crypto trading platforms, and lately the AI side of it has been pulling my attention. Today I'm just going to show you one I've been running for the past couple weeks. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the platform on screen, going straight into LaunchBot. All right, we're in. So first thing it's asking for is the trading pair. And a quick thing to know here, this bot is running across 20 exchanges at the same time. So you've got a pretty broad selection of coins to work with. Nothing exotic for me today. I'm just going Bitcoin, keeping it grounded. Okay, then clicking into live mode now. And now I need to get my wallet address plugged in. So I'm just going to swing over to my wallet real quick. Okay, grabbing the address, coming back over here and dropping it into this field. Okay, good. Capital allocation next. I'm going with, right around that. I'm comfortable with that number.
Risk level. So this one I think of as basically just your risk appetite dial. Like you're telling the bot where the ceiling on aggressive behavior is, how much rope it gets. I'm not going conservative, but I'm not maxing it out either. Just landing somewhere that feels measured. And then arbitrage strategy, which is just the AI's operating methodology, the specific framework it uses to identify and act on opportunities. All right, I'm good here. Nothing I want to change. Moving on. So the deposit screen is up, and I like that this part isn't rigid. Like you can come in with whichever coin is just sitting in your wallet, and they'll do the conversion into BTC on their end automatically before the bot does anything. So I'm just using whatever's convenient for me right now. Hang on a second. Okay, that's gone through. Tapping I have sent, and yeah, it's running. Stats are live right here. Trade count, win rate, average spread, charts tracking in real time. Pretty no-nonsense layout. Now we're just in standby mode. I'm going to cut through the waiting.
Okay, all right, time's passed. Tapping stop and withdraw now. There we go, stopped. So here's the full breakdown. How long it ran, trades that got executed, which strategy was active, win rate, and the final profit with the platform fee already subtracted. That right there is what I care about. Okay, hitting withdraw now. Just letting that clear for a second. Okay, it's confirmed and moving to my wallet. Should land in a few minutes, and I want to tell you the thing that actually made me as careful as I am now while we wait. There was this one platform I got into a while back, and look, I'd done my research on it, spent real time on it. It wasn't an impulse decision. Ran it for about 5 weeks, pulled out twice during that time with no issues, felt solid, and then I decided to put in more, like meaningfully more.
And almost immediately after that, the cracks started showing. Withdrawal times ballooning, support getting evasive, communication from the team just kind of drying up. And then one morning I wake up and the site's just different, scaled back. And within a few days, it was basically inaccessible. I lost a chunk that took a while to be okay about. And the part that really got to me was that I hadn't been careless. I'd been patient. I'd tested it, still got caught. So after that, I just became almost obsessively methodical. Smaller entries, mandatory early withdrawal tests, longer timelines before I increase anything. I've been running that exact process on this platform for a few weeks now, and nothing's given me a reason to pause. That means something. So look, if you want to see for yourself, links in the description and pinned in the comments. And honestly, that's the only advice I'd give. Just go try it yourself, on your own terms, with an amount you're comfortable losing if it comes to that. Nobody's experience is going to tell you what yours will be. Later.